I'm always like, oh, I'm gonna start at 11, and then an hour goes by, and I'm like, okay, cool, all right, sweet. Okay, so I'm closer to the mic today, so I hope it sounds better. I don't know if that's true though, but yeah, maybe we'll move it a little bit further. A little bit further away, yeah, like right there maybe. Because like I don't know. I'm still like getting used to this thing. I don't really know how it's supposed to work, but I don't want to hit the top of the gain thing. So yeah, that always sounds horrible. Wait, did you actually see that? Could you see that? Oh man, there's milk in there. Yeah, it'd be horrible if someone from Tech Twitter came in here and wanted me to like down a thing of whole milk or something. I guess no one's like actually drinking the whole milk in the pictures, right? Like they're not actually doing that. Okay, so let's see. I actually updated the stream info. Um, so today I'm gonna try to stop focusing on the sign up because I feel like it's pretty good. I mean, maybe I should like clean up what I did yesterday, right? I should probably clean up what I did yesterday. I also realized that in on mobile, it's like broken. Um, yeah, I wonder if we could just get rid of this. Oh, that's slick. That's slick. Oh my gosh, I don't even have. Oh no. Now that I got rid of that, I can't go to a new page. Maybe we'll bring back the title bar so I can actually go somewhere. Let's see. There we go. We'll put that back. Big Sir, what happened? I don't even know what happened. Gifted a sub. What the heck is this on the front page? Dude, get that out of my stream. Horrible. Twitch. Big Sir, though. Big Sir, thank you. Um, Thank you for gifting a tier one sub. I don't know what that is really, but yeah, thank you. I mean, I don't know the difference between like the tiers. Maybe I should set them up. I don't know. But yes, thank you. Thank you. Um I should probably yeah, I should probably figure all that stuff out. I I kind of like became a Twitch like whatever it's called advocate, and then I never did anything. But no, thank you. Thank you. Um, okay. All right. So, so yeah, I should probably look at how bad I did this yesterday, right? Look at this. I've got three optional booleans. Um, yeah, definitely not the best. Definitely not the best thing. What I should probably do, right, is instead of like modeling this as like a state, yeah, I should probably not um or instead of modeling this as like a struct, I should probably not do that. I should probably do something else. But I mean it does work, right? Even live it works, which is really cool. But I did break this, and I want to get rid of this scroll bar. But I did break it though. Do I have this? Yeah, see, I can't even click this because the I think this needs to be my always dirty hacks Z index. Oh no, it's not. What? Are you serious? Yeah, this is totally. I don't know what I did to break this thing, but I definitely broke it. I'm thinking it's because of this, and then it's probably because of this, right? Like if I delete this, then I could probably click on stuff, right? Wait, I can't. Oh my gosh. No, it's just completely broken. Well, I should probably handle that first, right? Man, these errors though, when they come through from WASM, wow, so bad. I mean, Like this is like deep in WASM bindgen, but it's probably because of what I did somewhere. I mean, look at this code. I have no idea what's going on here, but we can find it. We can find it. Wait, I have multiple tabs. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, we'll find it. We'll get down to the bottom of it. Okay. Oh, I'm working on this meme, which I'm not sure that it's funny. I just, yeah, I like Toy Story. But honestly, like, yeah, this is a bomb. Like, I'm looking at it, it's not funny. Like, I have to do something else. I have to make something else here. Like, I need something. Like, I want to say "Oh camel," right? Um, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I don't know what I'm still thinking about it. And yes, I spend entirely too much time on memes. Way too much time. Um, okay. Oh, I should also, you know what I should do is I should set up the tier thing so that I have an alert. I don't even think there was an alert. Was there? Because it just never happens. Big Sur, you're like the only one. That like never happens, so I never set it up. I was like, oh, I'll set up alerts for subs when they like happen, but but I never did. Now I have to start doing it. Now I got to start doing it. All right. Um. All right. So let's look at it locally, right, to see what's wrong here. It's all good. But there should be like a huge celebration, you know? Like it should be I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Maybe like not the Matrix. I don't know. Maybe I'll do something like I don't know. Maybe I should like lean into the 80s thing, you know? And just go like full on Breakfast Club. I'm in between Super K8's Migration Madness. Oh my goodness. Dude, maybe I should figure out K8's on stream. That would be like the worst stream. Like no one people would be like, "You're doing K8s on Twitch? Like this is madness." Yeah. Look, I mean, capybara driving baby. Yeah. That's horrible. Honestly, like I ran the system test today for work and they just don't work on my machine like cuz of like I'm on M1 and the Docker image is still x86. I haven't fixed that. Selenium just completely takes a dump. There's nothing I can't there's nothing I could do, right? So I just don't run them and I let the CI run them. That's how good of a programmer I am. You know, I'll just push it up and then it'll fail. And then I'll push it up again and then it fails again. Yeah, capybaras. This it's horrible. Honestly, though, I mean, I think like Rails system tests, like I think they are good, or they should be good. Yeah, Selenium. Yeah, yeah, that's round one. Yeah, I have to do that. I just haven't done it. Yeah, I just have to do it. Yeah, I don't know. It's a bummer. Like, it's a bummer. I was looking into Playwright, but then I have like a whole other problem with Node and stuff. So it's like I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I feel like maybe Selenium, maybe it's not the right way. Like maybe because we don't. I mean, we care less about like the resp. I mean, we care about the responses, right? But like we mostly care about like what the page looks like. So maybe it makes more sense to like still spin up headless Chrome, but like actually not even headless, like real Chrome, and then just like have screen like you know, just screenshots of like each screen. I feel like computers are so powerful now that we should be able to take a screenshot of every screen in every state, and just look for diffs every time you change the code, right? Because that's like the end. It's like that's what you really care about. Um, but yeah, I mean, but then again, the state comes from everywhere, right? URL, sessions, um, local storage, the database. It's like all strewn around, right? I guess we need to like unify the state first. Like all the state comes from the different sources into the Rails app through this like one God object or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I guess it sounds good in theory, but like it's way harder in practice. All right, so I can. This is not broken in development, which is interesting. But I think it's probably because I don't have any posts, right? So if I come in here, right? Yeah, all our teams have some variation of testing. Yeah, yeah. We're on mini test, um, but we keep it pretty basic, like just set up and tear down, and we don't go too crazy. Um, yeah, but we did rename control like our controller tests are actually like integration tests, and then our integration tests are like nothing, but like the next level up is like the system test. So there's really no like controller tests at all. um, yeah, so we did do that, which was kind of weird, but yeah. All right. Okay, so if I log in with this thing, my login code, I should really make. Oh wait, no username found. Oh, I should make this a link. Does that not exist anymore? Uh-oh. Did I break this too? Oh, I did. I did break that. Yeah, it'd be nice if I just was like talking all this Rust stuff and didn't break everything. Just leave it to me to keep writing bugs with Rust. But it's mostly like database stuff, so account by login code. Login code. Select from accounts for a login code. Okay. I don't see how that could fail. Seems pretty straightforward. seems pretty straightforward. Maybe it's failing over here. Oh yeah. So this is an option. Oh, it is an option. With mute, some account, view show account. Otherwise, error state. There's no account. What? I mean, at least I can trace this really easily, right? That's kind of nice. Okay. Account by login code. Select from accounts where login. I mean, there's really no other things to do here. Let me see. What is that? Okay, we can actually just run it, right? Oh, that's I'm on production. Oh my gosh, are you freaking serious? Okay. So stupid. Okay. There we go. Never mind. Rust code's still good. It's still good. Let me see. Okay, so if I add a post, right? Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing body. Which I should come up with like a better way to do this. Okay. All right, so now I can't click. Oh, I can click. Oh, but if I load, then it's not gonna fail. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Okay, maybe it's because if I log out and then I refresh. What? How is this working? Locally, but not in. Oh my gosh. Rust doesn't save me from this problem. Let me see. What's the difference though? Right? What's the difference? Oh, there is no difference. I haven't changed I haven't changed anything. Oh, I did change something though. Right? I did change. I need it says upbeat, but it's like not upbeat. We need it to be faster. We need to go faster. Yeah, we'll just stick to this one. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. And this is like tea. It's like green tea, so it's not like, or it is black tea, but like, okay. Also, like this bugs me because I did text left, But yeah, what are you gonna do? Okay, so this is working, but I did change. Oh, let me make this bigger. Oh my gosh. How do I not? How does that not horrible? We'll just go over here. What's it called? Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. I feel like I did this and now I've like ruined everything, right? I wanted to add collate no case to accounts, but I might have ruined something with the foreign keys, possibly. Um, yeah. So actually, you know what? I mean, if it is working here, right? I do wonder. Um, I do want like if I look over here and look at the state of the database, right? Yeah, it's already failing, right? Um, yeah, so I think if I go over here, I like how I call it production, but it's just like a random VPS on Vulture. I love that. Oh, I should turn this off. There we go. Let's see. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Random exceptions from work. Yeah. Okay. All right. Man, even with like the dumbest project, I still managed to like cause errors. That stinks. That stinks. EL post. Delete from posts. So if I delete everything, right, then it's fine. Which tells me, which tells me, okay. And then if I come over here, right, okay, so if I refresh with just one, it's fine, which is interesting. And then if I add another one and I refresh, oh my gosh, are you serious? It's you know what? It's probably because I turned foreign keys off and I did that migration with the collate and I had a problem and now it's totally fine. So I guess the answer is don't like take the database out of the legs from underneath your app. don't, don't do that, I guess. Apparently I can't do that. I thought for sure I could do that. Is Rust not capable of that? sqlite, can you not do that? Okay, let's see. So apparently there's not even a problem, right? It's just the fact that I can't do what I did. But luckily I don't have to change that ever again. So like if I make a mistake with a table, um I think I have to like turn foreign keys off completely. Like commit the current transaction, turn foreign keys off, do my table stuff, turn it back, then turn foreign keys back on in the same migration. Because I think this defer foreign keys thing like kind of ruined me a little bit. Yeah, I think that's probably what it was. But it's weird that it didn't happen locally though. But I I guess it doesn't matter. It's probably because it's probably this. It's probably this because I didn't have this. Let me just delete that. There we go. There we go. All right, so now what if I refresh? Yeah, it's totally fine. Okay. False alarm. False alarm. Okay. So anyway, this is where I left off yesterday. And I do want to fix this to be less horrible. Um, but I also want to do the upvoting, right? Because that'd be nice. And like formatting of the posts. Um, yeah. So yeah, I did change this, but now I'm like how can I model this so it's not like a bunch of optional booleans? I mean, this is definitely like if I look at this UI now that I've like made it, it's definitely like a binary thing, right? It's like either you meet the requirement or you don't. So it seems like it's a bool, right? Um, I guess the other thing is I could do, instead of a struct, I could have an enum that represents these states and then have like a tuple of enums, right? And then I don't have to have like optional bool. I could just say like if the enum for that thing is true or false, then I can just match the badge color for that, right? What? Back to a meeting. Power through, yo. If you will it, it is no dream. Okay. All right. Yeah. We're gonna do it. We're gonna will it. We're gonna will it. Okay, let me see. Yeah. All right. So yeah, this is this 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 right here. Um let's just look at badge one more time because I really do want to clean this up. This is horrible. Like this is a lot of code and it's like a lot of repetition too, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So I think and like look at this too. Well, this is actually okay. But yeah, I guess what I'm thinking is like enum sign up state one. We'll just call it one for now. And then something like this, like we'll just call it like, like min length, right? And then bool. But then I'm starting to think like maybe I should take like an I32, right? Or like a U8 or something, right? And then I can say min length 3, but like no, that doesn't matter. No. Okay, so then we could say something like sign up sign up valid sign up, right? Max length, and then all of these, except for taken, have to be like true, which is not great. Yeah, that's not great. I think the thing that's throwing me off is the taken thing. I think that kind of like threw me off. So I think what I should do instead, before I do that, is yeah, I should really do like I should really send it to the database like every like 200 milliseconds or so on keystroke and check to see. So we're gonna need a server function, right? We're gonna need a server function. Let's do that. So let's just copy that one because why not? It's a good starting point. So this is server. This is gonna be name of a check name. Check name? Check name. Cbor. Don't forget that Cbor. Otherwise you're gonna get CSRF problems. Okay, so then it takes a name and it just returns true or false, right? It literally just returns a Boolean. So that's nice. So here we can just say let account db account by name. Yeah, we'll do account by name. And then we will say, this is actually a good case for WebSockets. It'd be nice to have a WebSocket because this would be like trivial with live view. But now I have to do like weird like polling or something and like tear down a whole connection. Oh, well, what are you gonna do? Account by name. Name, await, okay, right? So if the thing is okay, we're good to go. We don't need any of this stuff anymore, right? And then we can just say okay account, right? Or we can say okay account by name, if it exists, then it's taken, right? So we'll just say taken, right? There we go. We need to generate this. No code actions available. Get out of here. No code actions available. Oh my gosh, it really doesn't want to generate it for me. That's sad. Let's go to the database. Let's go to the end because I just append things to the end. Async fn account by name self result bool app error let account equals sqlite query as account select from account. We can just do ID, I guess, instead of the whole thing, right? I64. Oh, can I not do that? Maybe we'll do that. We'll just keep it the same. Select from account where name equals this. Limit 1. I mean, not that it matters. Fetch all. Fetch 1. Self connection. Dot await. Okay, account. Or we'll just say like taken, right? Okay, taken. Is that what we did? Oh no, we'll say account, right? And then here account is gonna be name string name, and then now it understands account. I think I'm not actually sure. Consider, yeah, okay, account. Well, we'll just match account. We'll just say okay right there, and then we'll just return this, right? And then it's taken, right? Oh my gosh, accounts. Wow, SQLX, it actually helped me on something. Okay, found enum option models account. Okay, so let's do result equals, and then we'll just do this. And then we'll just say if result, if yeah, because this thing's gonna fail, right? With so we'll actually have to do this. Match result. Okay, account. Yeah, I think we should probably call this check name, right? Account by name is nice, but oh no, you know what? Yeah, we'll keep it simple on the database thing, right? We'll keep it simple. So then it just returns account, and then I don't have to think about like other logic stuff. Okay, so let's arguments to this are right, because this doesn't return a bool. This returns an account. All right. I pretty much only like this song. Like I only like this Dance with the Dead song. It needs to be pub. All right. Okay. Account by name. Option account. So I don't want it to be okay, right? I probably want to say if let okay account, right? Else, and I probably want to take care of like any errors later, but yeah. Actually, this will be an error if there is no account. It'll be like a result error or something. So maybe we'll just do this. Let result. Match result. Man, I hate how Rust like does not let me do the dumb things I usually do. I would just ignore everything. Okay, account, right? And then here, check name. We'll say like instead of check name, we'll say like is name available, right? And then that's what I want to do. Is name available, right? So if there is an account, it's false, right? Which is kind of confusing, but it's all right. And then if there is an error, right, which is what sqlite does for an error, then, wait, what's wrong with this? To do? What if I did that? Oh, there we go. So then we say error, and I think we have to match on error, and I only pretty much want app error, database select probably, right? But I think database select is like the worst, one, right? Because this, what does this return? Impl app error impulse for app error. And then we have row not found. Oh, it's not found. That's better. Okay. So then we just do not found. Otherwise, we'll just do to do. Right? And then we'll say true, right? So yeah, if the thing comes back and there's no row, that's the name is available, right? What is wrong with this? Expected bool. Oh, okay. Okay. And then here we can just say, okay. So instead of doing to do, I could actually just do this, right? I can just do error, right? There we go. Oh, the type construct does not, oh, server fn error, right. Okay. I guess I have to do this. Because they haven't done the server thing yet, I don't think. So maybe I'll just do this. I don't know. Let's see. There we go. There we go. It's some error that hopefully I don't run into. All right. Okay, so that doesn't, yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. So this should work. Back to sign up. And then so on here, when I do on input instead, is what I'm going to do is, yes, I want to validate the name and all this stuff still. I don't want to change that. But what I want to do though is I've never done this before, so hopefully this is okay. What I want to do is let's see. I want to do like a future. What's coroutine? Do I want coroutine? Will we write most coroutines we write will be polling loops using a single wait. Use coroutine. Connect to some sort of service. Wait for data on the service. For many services, a simple async loop will handle the majority of use cases. If we want to temporarily disable the coroutine, we can pause it using the pause method. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, this is kind of what I want, but like, I'm trying to use the server function and not like a WebSocket. So maybe we'll do use future if you want to unconditionally spawn the future. Sometimes though, you only want to spawn a future in response to an event. Oh, this is what I want. Okay. Such as a mouse click. For example, suppose you need to send a request when you click login. For this, you can use cx spawn. Oh, yeah, that is true. And I want to like give it a timeout too, I guess. Oh no, I don't want to spawn a future on input. I want to like debounce too. Maybe there's probably a better way to do this. Restarting the future. Yeah, there's probably a better way to do this. Because this, yeah, there's, okay. I should probably just go to the thing and see what's going on. If someone's probably done this before me, and I should probably like use, stay on the, whoop. Okay, so debounce is probably not the right word. Future delay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I don't know if this is going to make my. This is probably going to not be what I want. Let's see. So thread sleep. Yeah, I don't want to use STD. Use future to move the expenses simulated to work around the. Yeah, there you go. Ping window after VDOM. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think yeah, I think um uh yeah, I think probably not this. Probably probably like on input. Yeah, I guess since I'm kind of on my own, I should probably do something like this. But I think if I just have a future with that's a so I could okay, so what I really want to do is like let's just type it out. Every 200 milliseconds send so I want to do it in response but also like have a delay, right? So I basically just have to check, right? Oh, that's what I should look for this. Set timeout. Issues? Oh my gosh. Timeout? No. Okay. Let's do it together. Okay. Use eval with scrolling. Yeah, because I essentially want to do a set timeout, right? But I'm not sure how to do with this. Oh, here we go. What's this? Delay. Oh, perfect. To yield values from a coroutine, simply bring blah blah blah. You can use two owned. What is delay MS? What the heck is that? Use coroutine. I mean, I guess yeah. So I think that's what I want to do. But I think since if I have this future here, can I like reference this future inside this async thing? I'm not actually sure. But I think I just need two maybe. Every 250 milliseconds, check name availability after typing, right? Um, don't do it on every keystroke. That's what the 200 milliseconds. So I think what I can do is when okay, so I could do this. Let future equal this is the worst name. Future cx okay, async move. Okay, so we have our future, and then what I'm going to do now is call the server function, right? So this one's going to call the server function, right? If let's okay, let's zoom out a little bit. I can barely see what's happening. Okay, so if let okay is available, is name available, right? And then we have to go here, and I think we have to get the thing outside of this, I think. So we have to do something like this. And then we have to do something like let sc equals cx sc. And then we go cx or sc. I should probably call it sc instead. Let's change that. Can I? What? Dude, what? Rust Analyzer is, I don't know what I did to this thing. There we go. SC, await. Okay. So name is two owned name, name.get, await. And then here, yeah, I'm actually like, is there a better way to do this than just polling? Like the database is so small. I wonder if as long as there's like under a certain number of users, if I could just ship all the no, that sounds well. I mean, it's not that. I mean, do you really want to see all the users though? Like, I guess I could like try to encrypt it and decrypt it. Yeah, but I would have to decrypt on the server. I couldn't decrypt on the client. Yeah, maybe this is. I mean, this is the most scalable way, but the database is so small. All right, it's fine. I mean, let's just assume that the database is going to get large, right? Okay, let me see. Wait. Okay, now what is it saying? Oh, could not copy. Okay, we'll just clone it. All right. Okay, so unused variable, that's fine. This is okay. Okay, what is this? Oh, there we go. Okay. So if so now I can just do like match is available, right? And I can do this. If available is true, then we want to say wait, where am I? Oh, I'm in sign up. Oh yeah, that's right. So I want to say sign up state, right? Sign up state. I also want to say sign up state. Sign up state dot set. We want to do like a new sign up state, right? So I think is it mutable? Where did I have like a mutable sign up state? Oh, because I'm always returning it. Yeah, I think validate name has a mutable one, right? Oh no, it just actually returns it. Shoot, I'm like not doing any mutable stuff. Okay, so maybe I have to. Yeah, maybe I have to like. Where I lost track of what I was doing. There we go. Maybe I have to like. I have to take sign up. So this is what I have to do. Let mute sign up state. Let's call it SS. Probably not the best, not the best name. Sign up state dot clone. I'm guessing, right? Right. Get clone. And then so now I have like new sign up state that's mutable, and then I just want to say is taken is available, right? Oh well, yeah, we'll change this to be. We'll add one. We'll add one. Is available, right? I like how I'm obsessed with this like stupid sign up thing. I don't know what's wrong with me. Is available. Okay, there we go. Is available. I mean, it's better than like making web frameworks. I don't know. Look, I've come a long way. Okay. I'm using the tools. All right. And eventually, like, I'll get past this point and like I'll actually not even care and just have like AI do stuff for me. And then I'll finally be in business. Okay. Just let me do one step at a time. All right. One step on the ladder of abstraction at a time. Okay. Let me see. Is available. Is available. Okay. Okay. So then that's it, right? And then we just say like sign up state set SS, right? Because it's a new one that was cloned. Okay. Or you know what I could do? We could just do this. Sign up state with mute. There. That's much better. That's much better. SS is available equals is available. And that's it, right? That's all. Okay, cool. So this future is not being called anywhere. It should be, though. It really should be. So what was my other thing? Okay, so every 250 milliseconds, check name availability after typing. Okay, so I have to have another. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a future that all it does is wait. I want what is this still? Let's see. Let's try. Is there a way to do like delay? Right, delay. Let's see. Brief flash of cross-term event poll. Okay. Delay displaying. Okay, what did they do though? Duration from millis. Yeah. Whoa, this is crazy. You can interact with iOS web views. with I mean, this is incredible. I should really use dioxus for that's like my biggest pet peeve is like iOS stuff. I never do it because I hate it. But with dioxus, I might like it. I might actually like it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this doesn't help me. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have another future, and all it does is like wait 250 milliseconds, right? So we'll just say like delay future, use future, CX. Okay, boop, and then we've got this. We got this one, and then we just say, um, what do we do here for delay? What do we do for WASM to like get a delay? I don't use Tokyo, do I? How do I do that? I don't even know how to do that. Let's see. Spawning futures. Oh, wait, here's something. There was something here. What the heck is that? Well, okay. Let's just. Wait, does that exist? Delay, MS. I mean, there's no way that exists, right? It can't. It's not gonna find it. Yeah. Okay. What? Let's just search dioxus for this. I wonder if it's actually if there's something to help me here. I feel like this is a pretty normal thing to do, but maybe I don't. Okay, so it's definitely in the docs, right? Let's see. What if we do like timeout? Timeout future. What's this? What's this right here? Waits for some idle time and returns a timeout future that expires. Okay, perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, let me see. Timeout after 10 milliseconds. So I just do the, what the heck is cross term? What the heck is rink? Okay, let me see. Window.set timeout. Oh, yeah, oh, they're actually using. I mean, I guess I could use eval with a callback. I guess I could do that. Timeout count example. Where React hooks a mistake. Although dioxus has its own footguns like infinite loop. But I noticed some parts feel more explicit, feel more magical. With features triggered by a button. Oh, is there an example? And the readme example. Oh, I do use Tokyo. Oh, wait. There's no way. Not in WASM, right? This is on the desktop. Yeah, there's no freaking way I can do that. I have to use WASM, bindgen, timeout or something. What do I do? What do I do? How can I sleep for 10 milliseconds? Okay. I mean, this is a lot of code. Um, let's see. Closure, blah, blah, blah. Request animation. Oh, request animation frame? This is crazy. I guess this makes sense. There are several, blah, blah, blah. The documentation. Set timeout overloads. Set timeout with callback and timeout arguments. Oh, maybe that's all I have to do, right? Yeah, I guess it'd be nice if there was like not have to use WASM bindgen though, but maybe I have to. Let's see, Rust WASM, future delay and WASM timer. Let's see, async sleep. Oh, this is perfect. Oh no. Oh no. Does this not do? This doesn't do dark mode. This one. Whatever. Let's see. Set timeout to do. Yeah, yeah. For what it's worth, you can. Oh, really? Base sleep into something async? Oh, there it is. Very cool. Can we do this without the channel in JS? One technique for set timeout async sleep is new promise. What is it? Direct translation, which does not need the one-shot channel. Okay, so I guess like I do need this one-shot. Features channel is one-shot. Okay. Oh, he's asking for it without. Let us delegate to wake or wake to tell whatever is polling to find time to wake up. You can probably create your own feature implementation. The JS feature. Okay, this does, but not the direction. The following code does not, but I'm wondering if it can be made to work. Sleep. Resolve. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, so that's what I was looking at. Compiles and appears to work. I have no idea how safe, unsafe this is. Um, yeah, it's in the browser. It's probably fine. I've got code with a dependency on async and in cargo tunnel that does basically the following, which appears to work fine. Async std. Oh, can you use Tokyo and WASM? You can use this though? Interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, glue. Oh my gosh, glue timers, of course. Of course, glue has the answer. Glue. All right, this is what I need. Glue timers, callback. Okay, perfect. This is what I need. This is exactly what I need. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Well, I thought I'd have to program something, but you know, whatever. Cargo add glue timers. Timers. Optional. Okay. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. I don't know why the futures is not included, but we'll just do it without it because we'll see what happens. Glue timers, glue timers. Okay. So we have to in the client side, we have to say glue timers, right? Man, it's a bummer. JavaScript, like WASM, everything in the browser is a bummer. Like, if I had live view, this would have been solved already. Honestly, this would have freaking been solved. Like, no problem. I would have already been moved. I would have already moved on. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, whatever. This is what I'm doing. We're doing stateless. We're being stateless. All right, we're being stateless. Just let it happen. You know, let the stateless stuff happen. So now I can just use this, right? So we'll go to front end and we will do this. We will add this to front end. And actually, you know what? We won't add that to front end. We will add, yeah, we will add that there. Oh, but this is like only front end stuff. Yeah, maybe I should look at that again, actually. Maybe I should restart this thing because it's the only playlist I like. Yeah, because then I have to like do front end only things, which I'm not sure I want to do, right? Because I'm making it even harder because now I'm like trying to share code between the front and the back end. I mean, this looks like I have to anyway, though, right? Like, I mean, I think that's fine because I think this is fine still. I think that's fine because honestly, like, I can't do this without, right? Let's say Tokyo futures delay. I mean, I did. This one's probably the only one that's like convert a set timeout based sleep into something. Yeah, I mean, I can probably use futures in WASM, right? Rust cargo futures, great. Because this is probably okay, I'm guessing, right? Because it only has a dependency on Tokyo and dev. Yeah, let's see, WASM. Whoops, be nice if I could spell. Let's see. Expose features from RAN to avoid compilation breakage. Okay, so it does compile for WASM then. All right, so maybe I will just like put this in here so I don't have to like go crazy and like depend on browser stuff. Okay, yeah, maybe I will do this. Let's get rid of glue timers, right? Glue timers. There we go. And then let's just do what this person did. This much smarter person than me did. What is their playground though? Okay, what if I build it? Compiling playground. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay. Okay, perfect. Wait. Sleep. Set timeout. Duration move. I mean, it's kind of like, is that, you know, convert a set timeout based sleep into something async? Is there an async sleep? I'm looking for an async rather than timeout based solution. This is probably what I want. And I think I just don't even need this. I can just have sleep. Oh, this is just, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I need like a sleep thing. And then this duration will set it, I guess, right? Um, I'm just using the channel as a cheap way to write a future. It's in no way necessary for this to work. If you squint, the sender send lets us delegate, blah, blah, blah. I'm reading this again. You can probably create your own future to see how it wires up, resolve the important bit. Oh my gosh, am I really going to do this? Maybe I'm right about the glue thing. Oh, maybe this is actually letting me, I think this is what I want. But I think what I want to do is like Rust futures set timeout. It's actually a crate. How to set timeout for future by example. Zero cost futures. Okay, creating a future. Futures and types. Oh my gosh, I'm learning right now. We're actually learning. Let's see. How do I set for blah blah blah? Let's see. What does this do? Okay. What is this? What is this? Create a future to be ready after some point. Features block on set timeout. Now it is ready. How does it work? How does it work though? Let's see. Um, how do I get back to where am I? Oh, I'm over here. There we go. What's the problem you're trying to solve here? Um, it's a problem. Oh well, okay. All right. So basically, what I want to do is, I want to. Here, I'll show you. All right. So I want to do this. Right. Every time I type a key, um, I want to. I'm trying to debounce. Right. I'm just trying to debounce 250 milliseconds. So like if I'm typing faster, then don't send. So I'm trying to send a request to check if the username is available, right? This username is available. But I only want to do it every 250 milliseconds max, right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Yep. Yeah. But I think this one might actually do it though. This one might actually do it. I don't know how simple this is. Okay. So this has the standard library, which is fine, I think, because I think dioxus already uses that in WASM mode. Yeah, I think this is okay. I think this will probably be fine. Um, timer state. Okay. I mean, wait, there's like threads. Maybe this isn't going to be good. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I have to be more specific in my search. Rust WASM futures set type out. Okay. Oh, it's still gonna be WASM bungin. Yeah. Oh, frick. What's this? I don't want to have to put in a compiler thing. I don't want to have to put in a compiler config flag thing. While I played with WASM, I got turned off by the DOM manipulation. Yeah, yeah. Well, luckily dioxus does that for me, but I know what you're saying. Yeah, it's not great. Yeah, I mean honestly, like I wish they would just give WASM access to the DOM, um, because I think it makes it way simpler. But or it could theoretically make it way simpler, but yeah, I don't know. I would also like maybe we just forget the DOM, right? And we just do like what iced or whatever does, right? And we just like only write our own renderer. Yeah, it felt like writing JavaScript in Rust. Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. I mean, WASM bindgen is that way. Um, okay. Apparently, it's okay if there's like thread pools and stuff. Yeah. maybe I'll just use this, and I guess I'll only do this on client, right? We'll just bring in the glue timer. I'm gonna sit here forever if I'm trying to do this. We'll bring the glue timer back. We'll bring it back. Okay. All right. Okay. So then I guess what I have to do is do this. Okay, so I have my future, but I really don't need it anymore. But I guess it does more work than just this, right? I mean, this could just be a function, I think. But I guess it like sets the state and everything, so it'd be nice to like use it, I guess. How do I use this thing? Let's see. Use glue timers, callback timeout. Okay, so let's just do this. CFG front end. There you go. And then let's do let timeout. Since we don't plan on canceling the timeout, call forget. With the futures feature enabled, a future module containing futures-based timers is exposed. Spawn local. If we just dropped it, then the timeout would be canceled with clear timeout. Oh, okay. So it's more like rusty, right? This is like less rusty. We need more RAII and like less of this. No defers, right? All right, maybe I'll do that. Let's just add features. Features. Okay. Give me the kitchen sink. You know what I mean? So now I have to add this too. I wonder if this is even gonna work. we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it works. Let's see. Spawn local, timeout future. So this is also front end. I don't know, because I'm like doing server functions and like this gets server side rendered. I don't know. This is pretty wild. Okay, let me see. Cargo fetch, I guess. Okay. Where's timeout future? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, so I did that. Spawn local timeout future. Okay. And then let's see. So we're gonna say like 250. Do something here after the 1 second timeout is up. Yeah. So in that case, I think we're gonna do the other future, right? Value. Do we do value though, or do we just like? Yeah, I guess we do, right? Maybe we won't. This is kind of confusing. Maybe I'll just do this stuff, right? Oh, I do need the context though. I don't have it here. So I probably just need to like CX spawn, right? I mean, that's all I care about, right? Yeah. Async move. Yeah. Okay. So then we'll just put whatever was in this future, we'll just do here, right? And we'll up. Okay, did I not get that? I don't think I got that right. Okay. Okay, so this is looking good, I think. Don't need this anymore. Okay. So this probably oh, it doesn't like this. WASM bindgen futures. Apparently I need that too. WASM bindgen futures optional. Okay. Okay. Did it say oh yeah, it did say that. Okay. But yeah, I guess it just didn't, maybe it didn't pick that up. Reload. Okay. WASM bindgen futures. Okay. Maybe it'll understand now. All right. It's thinking. Unresolved import in callback. No timeout future in callback. Oh. Yeah, oh, this isn't future. Oh, it had it right there. Okay, perfect. All right. So this is looking okay. So basically on every, so I have to move this, right? So on every keystroke, I'm gonna spawn a new future, but I also want to like cancel it too. So maybe I do want this, right? Um, intervals fire repeatedly every n milliseconds. Yeah, because I'm gonna like queue up a million futures just now, and they're all gonna run. They're all gonna run after 250 milliseconds. So I should probably do this actually. That's kind of this is I was wrong. I think this is what I want because I'm not sure how to like can't. I need to like cancel the future, right? What does it do? Does it return the future? What is this? What does this do? No definition found. What is this? Unknown. It should be a timeout future, right? Let's see. Okay. Yep. I probably did actually want this because I definitely want to cancel this. After a new key, I only want to. Maybe I do. Actually, maybe I do just want to like queue a bunch of stuff. But I didn't want to like hit the server too hard. So that's why I was like trying to set like wait. Yeah, but that's not really debouncing though, right? It's not really debouncing. Debouncing would probably be easier. I should probably do that instead. When I did something similar, I only submitted the request when the user hadn't typed for 300 milliseconds. Oh, so you like waited, right? So there's like another future that waits, right? Before it like, yeah, yeah. I love how this is. I wish I had live view. I wish I had live view. Okay, because then I wouldn't care, right? I can literally send it a keystroke. I don't even care. Okay, let me see. So I probably so this is on everything, right? But I probably want so I want to spawn this. Let's just see how it is actually. Let's just see how if it's actually working. I don't actually know. Let's see. Let's see if it compiles. But yeah. So I probably want a future um that starts when they type, right? Oh, you know what I could do is I could set state. I could just have a state that like that just that's like okay, have they typed within the last 250 milliseconds, right? That's probably what I should do. I should just when they start typing, I just have yeah, I just have like a time. Like I just take the timestamp when they start typing and I subtract. That could be overkill. But maybe not. I don't know. Um yeah, maybe I'll do that. Doesn't even compile. Doesn't even compile. Oh, because I did something. Okay. False. What else have what else did I change? Let's see. Borrowing escapes the function of the body. Okay, so I'm not this is not great because now I'm like trying to borrow C. I guess I can move, right? Let's see if it can I move it? It won't let me. I'm not trying to borrow it anymore. Um okay, so this isn't going to work. I wish you told me that before. That'd be nice. Okay. That's only valid in the function body. Yes. Okay. So I'm definitely not going down the right road here at all. Mostly because I know. Oh, you know what? I could do that future thing probably like I was doing before. But yeah, I guess what I could do is say like last typed timestamp. That seems really ghetto. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I could do that. Love Gunship. Yeah, Gunship is good. This is like a mix, but yeah, they've got like a bunch of stuff on here. Like, yeah, I mean, I really like the Scandroid thing, Dance with the Dead. It's like really old, but like, oh well, what am I gonna do? It's good. It's good. Yeah, it just kind of gets out of my way, so I don't have to like think about the music because I'm like obsessed with like how can I, which music am I listening to? Oh shoot, it's been 1 hour and 10 minutes. I haven't done anything. Freaking a. All right, let's try it with the future before I give up completely. Use future, CX. Nothing. Let's bring back that future that I was doing because I think that was the right way probably. Because I needed to like tie into the thing. Yeah, we're just gonna do this in there, I guess. No, we'll bring this back out here, and then we won't move. We'll just do async, and then this is just the CX spawn thing, and then this returns that future. I don't need this. I don't need this spawn. This returns the future, right? And then here I can just do like future dot value match fill match arms. I mean, I don't really. We'll just do this. Let. Okay, like that, right? And we'll do that, right? Oh, it still doesn't. It still doesn't like it. I can't do it. Oh, I guess what I could do is I could try. I mean, this is probably not what I want to do here. I mean, this isn't gonna work. I guess the ghetto thing that I was thinking of doing is like let last typed ms, and then just have state, and then just have 0, right? Actually, how do I get the timestamp in WASM, right? Let's see, Rust WASM get current timestamp. Oh, it's using that Chrono thing. Time profiling date. Man, this JS stuff is getting me. I'm like, it's falling apart for me. Neo Tokyo is a family fave. Yeah. Yep. Is there Neo Tokyo on here? Oh yeah. Oh, that's yeah. The Dance with the Dead. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. It's good. I guess I would like to find more music like that, but like I can all the retrowave stuff and all the synthwave stuff is like so low energy. You know what I mean? It's like it's for like relaxing, but I'm not relaxing. Astrokernel, here's one suggestion. Why don't you post a video tutorial series? Rust lacks tutorials. It would be helpful. Yeah, I guess I could. What I should do is actually figure it out first, though, because I don't know what I'm doing. When I did similar on each key press, I killed the timer and started another. Yeah, yeah. I could do that. I think the future thing is getting me because I don't. I think what I want to do is probably do the. Where was it? Where was the thing? Where was the? Where was the thing? Where was the glue timers? Yeah. I think what I want to do is this. I don't want to like. I think I'm just gonna use the callback. I think the future is maybe too much. Because I don't even think I want the other thing anyway. And then yeah, I think instead it's probably, let's see, maybe something like basic to dioxus and creating a small project. Yeah, that's true. That'd be cool, I guess. Yeah, I mean, like, I think like showing dioxus with like auth and stuff would be nice, or at least like how to get data from a database. Because like I don't think there's a lot of that. Usually, what I see on YouTube is like, look at this new technology. Isn't it cool? Look at this one tiny example. It's great. And then they move on to like OCaml or whatever. I don't know. Lol, no one realizes we don't know what we're doing until we do it. Unless you're live streaming, in which case, yeah, you don't know what I don't know what I'm doing. I recall I just used in JS clear timeout and set timeout on each key press. Yeah, to push out the submission. Yeah. Oh, Camel, I muted in Twitter. Dude, honestly, like this OCaml stuff, like, I mean, I don't really know Teach. Like, I've never met him or even like DM'd or anything. But like, given his like streaming personality and how he likes to prank people, I would love if like the OCaml thing was like a complete prank. But I don't know if it is. But I can't tell when he's being serious. You know. I like the look of you, but had no idea how to fetch data. Yeah, I've never URS. Yeah, I've never used you. Build a sample. They always do this. Look, it has to dos, and like, oh, like it wait, feature CSR. Oh, you have a feature right off the bat. Yeah, function component. Okay, yeah, this is what I mean. Like the counter thing, and the counters always look so good. You're like, oh, sweet. Like that's all it takes to do a counter in Rust. Incredible. And the rest of it should be just as easy. Let me see. Cause yeah, you is nice. I've done plenty of React, so you is very similar. Yeah. Yeah, you which one's the one that it's not you. Is you the signals stuff too? Or that's just React, right? Concepts, suspense. Oh man. Yeah. Render as you fetch. Suspense enables a new approach to initiate data requests during the rendering process. Yeah. Of course it doesn't like help you. Oh, use user. That's interesting. Oh, with like a little wait, how can HTML result with no option use the question mark? Whoa, that's magical. That's super magical. Um yeah, maybe I should. I don't know. I just got to sit down and like I don't know. YouTube is like such a burden. I don't know. I just every time I think about YouTube I'm like, like just export my Twitch streams like I don't want to sit there and edit, you know? I don't know. Maybe I should just like do it. Maybe I should like do a stream for like the first 20 minutes and like build a whole new project from scratch and just like this is how you do it. And I could do dioxus like I could do like all of them, leptos, all that stuff. Um and then I could just like clip it like with markers on Twitch and then I'll just won't do any editing and I'll just post it to YouTube. I should probably just do that. I mean, it's not gonna. I don't. I feel like I need more preparation, like a script, and like to make it really nice, you know. Because yeah, I think just me rambling about stuff, like I should probably at least write like a bunch of steps down. Like this is how you start the thing. Oh, when you run into this problem, you should do this. Like this compiler error is this. I don't know. Have you seen Sunny Sanghai's YouTube channel? No, I have not. No, I have not. Let me see. Next.js. Okay. Yeah, JS, man. It's like it's almost like you have to use JS on YouTube to get any subscribers. Okay, let's build Uber 2.0. Oh my gosh, it's 4 hours. Oh my goodness. What the frick? What the heck? Let me see. React Native. Okay, so so this is just a live stream, right? Yeah. Let's see. Videos. Popular. React 101 crash course. Oh my gosh. What the frick? That's crazy. Maybe I should like maybe I should just slap thumbnails on 4 apps in 12 hours. Maybe I should just slap thumbnails on my live streams. Dang, this is like how can you stream for this long? What the heck? That's crazy. Yeah, it didn't occur to me to slap thumbnails on my live stream videos. But I guess just doing that will like increase the retention probably, or at least like click through rate or whatever. That would be, yeah, I should probably do that. But his videos are good, project focused. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I should do this. Thanks for that. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna I'm gonna rip this guy off a little bit. Yeah, I never even thought about like about putting thumbnail. What if I just go back on my old videos and just put thumbnails? Because I can at least make a thumbnail, right? Um, this one's a good one though. Like this one is also good, but I feel like there's like a lot of text. I think yeah, this one's really good, right? This is a good thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah, I should probably learn SSR in 10 minutes. Oh, okay, so he has some shorter ones too. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I can at least make thumbnails. But yeah, his most popular one is like so, so, so much. Oh, he actually does like really little now. He's just like, just stick this thing on here and like take a screenshot. That's hilarious. Yeah, it seems like he moved on a little bit to interview stuff. Um, yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, I should probably do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Asher Kernel, thank you. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this thing. We're gonna have some Rust front end tutorials. Um, or at least like front end ish, back end ish. Um, project focused. That's a good. I like that. I like that term. All right, let me see if I can at least just get this timeout going. Like, I really just want to like. Okay, so we're gonna do this. CFG front end, blah blah blah. Okay, timeout. 250 move. Okay, so there's my timeout, right? And then I have the timeout. So here, I'm just gonna say timeout dot forget, right? Um, yeah. And then here I can say I can hopefully do my, but it's not async though. I guess I can just spawn, right? We can just spawn it in here, right? Let's do that. CX spawn dip, async move. Oh wait, it's just this. I swear one of these days. Okay, there we go. Yeah. I mean, I feel like this should work. This is kind of what I want to do. Of course, I'm like forgetting it right away, right? But what I should do is um, if it hasn't been 250 milliseconds yet, I have to forget this thing. Yep. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take off in like 8 minutes. Yeah. All right. It was a long one today. I mean, it was a short one yesterday. I guess I don't know. It makes up for it. All right. Are you both using Rust professionally or just hobby learning at the moment? I'm using it as hobby slash learning. I mean, I would love to write Rust at work. But yeah, I think I don't know. I don't know. In my for my job, like which is basically what I'm doing here, but just I'm doing it in Rust. Um, I don't know. It just sucks. Like no one cares, you know. Like no one cares. Like oh, it doesn't matter if the app is slow, and like it doesn't matter. It's fine. But yeah, I would just love to. I don't know. I would just love to like make something that doesn't like fire off exceptions like at a rapid rate. It's like I don't know, but no one really cares. I'll just fix the bugs. It's not a big deal. Um, I guess to some, I guess they're right, right? And like, I don't know. I mean, I think over time, like Rust helps you out because you're like done. You're like, I did this thing, and now it works, and now it's done, and I don't ever have to touch this again if I don't want to, right? Next.js wrote a Webpack replacement, and I believe that's Rust. Yeah, Turbo Pack, I think, or something. Turbo Repo. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I think Rust's real sweet spot is probably not apps, which is unfortunate. Because I think people are like sleeping on like you don't have to. Rust is like this advanced technology from the future, and you don't need a garbage collector anymore, right? Like all you have to do is learn lifetimes. Like, you know, it's like all you have to do is like set yourself up for success with your design initially. Look, I will say like for me, like it took a while before I was like I had to redo like lifetimes a bunch of times before I like understood it. But honestly, for apps, like you never really run into lifetime problems because you're usually using U or dioxus or something. So that's why I think Rust for apps is like really good. But like people just see it as like a systems thing or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, I see it as like the whole thing. Like you could just use Rust everywhere. Um, Data science, you know. But yeah, that's never gonna happen. Like data scientists love Python. They love, and then they're gonna have Mojo, I guess. So I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so this is just gonna forget right away. So I basically have to say like if it's been what else can I do with the timeout? What else can I do here? Timeout dot. Is it gonna help me? No, it's not even gonna help me at all. Okay, let's just see if it compiles. I mean, nothing's gonna happen, right? Because it's gonna forget the timeout right away. What did I do? What did I do? But it returns JS value. Oh. Uh-oh. What did I do now? I did something else. Um, because it moves the variable timeout of its environment. Um, I don't think I could do it too owned here. And I definitely can't I definitely can't I don't think it's gonna work. I can't just own it. I don't think I can clone it either. Shoot, man. Shoot. Yeah, I might have to use a dioxus coroutine, actually. I mean, I wasn't sure if I should, but now that I'm like doing it, um, oh, calling spawn will give you a join handle, which lets you cancel or pause the future. I want to spawn a background tab. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, so I think this is probably what I want because I didn't realize I actually got something from. Okay, okay. I think I've gone in like a complete circle. I think this is what I wanted. Um, Python is my day to day. AWS serverless stuff. Oh, okay, yeah. I feel like the whole world writes Python except for me. I write Ruby. Data science for research. Python is best. Rust plus Python is best combination. You can write Rust with Py03, whatever performance is required. Yeah. Astro what do you think about Mojo? Um, would you use it? Like, I got into the playground, but like, I don't know what to do with it, so I just haven't messed with it at all. But yeah, I don't know. It's interesting though that like, I don't know like about Rust. Um, I think everyone's kind of like taking all the performance stuff into other languages. OCaml's doing it with Jane Street's doing it with OCaml. Um, Mojo with Python. I work on multiple language. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mojo, I am not sure. Yeah. Okay, what time is it? Oh my gosh, I got 2 minutes. I can't comment on that until it is public. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So if I just do CX spawn here and I don't try to bring in like an extra thing because dioxus is like all encompassing, right? Let join handle equals. And then here, we'll just get rid of this for now. Okay. So it says it gives you, what is this? Unused variable, but it says nothing though. What does it say though? What did it say again? Oh my gosh, did I run out of music again? I did. I just closed it. Okay. Um, what did I? I work on national projects and they're just stuck on Python, thinking the developers can't learn. Yeah. I mean, it's crazy because Python is like so slow, but like, you know, it's whatever. It's whatever. Who cares, right? Who cares? Where? Okay, let me see. I just want to try this real quick. Spawn will give you a join handle, which lets you cancel or pause the future. Okay, okay. Will it though? Will it? Because it doesn't look like anything. It looks like nothing, right? Maybe this is a this. Okay, I guess like this is probably more like what I want. So maybe I'll try it with futures. But I guess what I could do is I could just have a coroutine future, right? Wherever it is. Oh, I could just have a coroutine future that just loops, I guess. I have no idea. Um, for pausing our async like we would with promises, the Rust model not to pull our future. If sync is running, disable syncing, enable syncing. Yeah, maybe I just didn't understand this. We'll run to the next await point before yielding. This level of control, allowing for infinitely looping tasks like WebSocket background timers. Oh, okay. Maybe I should have just read this more. Maybe it's my own problem. As you to create, we'll be polling loops. A simple async loop will handle. Disable, we can pause it using the pause and resume it using the resume. Okay, maybe this is what I want, right? So like I have my coroutine and then it does stuff, right? Simply bring in useState handle and set the value whenever the coroutine completes its work. The future must be static, cannot be references to CX, cannot carry any references such as a useState. You can use 2.0 to create a clone of the hook handle. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Sync status, use coroutine, sync status 2.0 to async move loop. Okay. I still don't really understand where this comes from. They didn't really ever explain that. But I would like that. It would be nice. Maybe that's why I didn't. Let's see. Yeah, I just had to read more. I'll figure it out off stream. How long? Oh my gosh, I'm over time here. I love that Rust is a good language with good tooling. Yeah, it is. It is amazing. Like, I think the crates are what really keep me in the Rust ecosystem. Like, it's just so much higher quality than every other. Like Ruby gems are just like. I mean, it's been how many years? It's been like 20 years, right? For Ruby or something like 1995, right? Yeah, it's not even close. Wait, has it been 20 years? No, it's been like they're almost 30 years now, right? Python packages are shocking. Yeah, JavaScript's the same way though. Horrible. Like, dude, npm is like tire fire. Like, who? I honestly like don't even trust npm. Like, there's no way to like. There's just so much like supply chain attacks and everything. Like, developers getting mad pulling packages. Like, I know it rarely actually happens and like hits the news, but like, I don't know, man. There's something about npm and Python too. I don't know. Like, that popularity is like good, but at the same time, it's like not good. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for hanging out. It was cool. I'll be back tomorrow, 11 a.m. like I usually do now. You know. All right. See you guys later.